Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making friendship bugs. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, crayons, a pipe cleaner, I chose black, a pen, scissors, and a variety of colors of construction paper. I chose blue, pink, green, yellow, orange, red, and white. You can take the white if you want and just make all the shapes and then color it yourself, or you can use the colored, so that's up to you. First, we're gonna make the head. And I made my head yellow, and then we're gonna glue his eyes on. And choose the same color head and as the color eyes. So I chose yellow for the eyes. And then put it all over the eyeball, the glue, so it sticks pretty good. And you want kind of bigger eyes. We're going to kind of overlap them. And then I used for the nose pink construction paper. You can make him look however you want though. So if you'd rather have a different color. And then I'm going to take the black crayon and I'm going to draw eyeballs. Kind of color them in. And then we're going to make a really big smile. Okay. And then we're going to use the construction paper and we're going to cut out hearts. I'm going to start with the pink heart. And we're going to kind of go under his head, so it's kind of leave a little gap there though. And then we're going to just start adding different colors. I'm going to do blue next. Oh, actually I think I'm going to write on it first. What we're doing is we're making a friendship bug, so with the hearts we're going to put what we like about our friend. And I think it'd be easier if I did it now because it'll be hard to. So my first one is my friend is nice. And let me put my friend on the first heart. And you can think about your friend and what you like about your friend. So nice. And then I'm going to put funny. And then I'm going to put helpful. And you make the hearts kind of a little bit smaller each time, so it kind of looks like his tail. What else? I'm going to put she's a good listener. and trying to use different colors. Do a yellow one. I'm gonna put cool. I've had my same best friend for 41 years. And then we're gonna kind of make the tail go off a little to one side. Trying to think. I'm gonna put caring. And I'm gonna kind of make it go to this side to finish your moth. You can add more hearts if you want, or you can add less hearts if you want. Now I'm going to take the pipe cleaner and I'm going to make little antennas. You can make them different colors. I just chose black pipe cleaners. But you can make this look as colorful as you want, or maybe her favorite colors. If you know what your friend, the colors they like, make it look like the colors they enjoy. And this is our friendship bug. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.